'cause you're so
Hard to get or straightforward? How do you tell if a boy likes you? Does race matter? What's the biggest turn off? Do they care about weight and height?
Can we skip that question? Tyler, the creator?
Tyler.
Why are you blinking so much?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a few months ago I made a what middle school boys actually want in girls, and now I've decided to make a what high school boy what high school boys actually want in girls. So I'm here with my brother and his friends.
I wouldn't call us friends, acquaintances. Sashwat, Josh.
I'm Michael.
So I asked you guys on my Instagram some questions about what you guys are wondering about high school boys. So make sure to follow the Instagram over there if you guys want to be engaged in the next video. We will be answering the most juicy, highly requested questions. Without further ado, let's just get on into the juicy questions. Okay, so since I'm a girl, like I know like what they're really curious about.
Wait, girl?
So I'll pick.
You're a girl.
Wait, I gotta leave.
This is a very highly requested question. Would you rather ask a girl out, or is it okay if the girl asks you out?
Either one's okay.
Yeah, I think it's definitely okay.
Yeah.
'Cause nowadays, you know.
We're breaking gender boundaries.
Yeah.
Gender stereotypes are not a good thing at our age.
But do you have a preference? Depends on the person. Some people are like more confident about it. Some people are more shy.
Michael,
Yeah.
what'd you think?
If the girl is confident in themselves, I feel like that's a good thing. I would view that as like,
Positive.
wow,
She's going out there.
yeah.
Well, I
Yeah.
got played last time that happened, so. What is a good date?
You know, on the beach, a nice sunset picnic.
Probably a hot air balloon ride.
Do you like movie dates?
Do you like movie? I feel like it would be like less stressful, maybe. I mean, probably not as a first date, because then you don't talk to them.
What's the best first date idea? Like realistically, something that's in this town.
Like probably
easy to
just
get
like
to.
dinner, so you can get to know each
Panera.
other.
Panera.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I was talking, is what I was saying.
It's not awkward to sit like across from each other and just like be eating.
I mean, it might be, but it's better just to get to know them.
Yeah. Do you guys care about what they wear or what they smell like?
Probably a little bit. Like maybe
Yeah.
wear deodorant.
But like, do you notice when a girl smells good? Like if she walks past you, you're like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, when she
Yeah.
whips your hair, I get that nice whiff.
Is it true that guys have a preference for hair color?
It's a universal thing, but it depends on each guy.
Probably ginger's like a no-fly zone.
Can't say that.
Well, actually, no, I take that back.
Why don't guys just flat out tell us that they don't like us? There's no point of leading us on with a frowny face.
Some guys do that, some don't. You know, it just depends if they're good or not.
Leading someone on, it sucks, but it's kind of understandable because like, you know when you're flattered when someone likes you, but like you don't like them back, but you also don't want them to stop liking you. It's like a really bad validation. Like,
I
don't
get
know, like,
it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
When it's like flattering
You're like,
that
yo,
they like
I'm
you.
complimented right
Yeah,
now.
you don't want them to lose feelings, but also you don't want to like commit to that person.
Be your
What's
friend.
the question? I don't tell us they don't like us. Oh.
No one wants to be
Yeah,
put in
because
that
then
sit-
if you're like friendly with each other, then it's kind of just like awkward.
Do you guys
know?
feel like since girls are very emotional, like you have to be very careful?
Yeah, probably.
I mean, if they're your friend,
Yeah.
you don't want to hurt their
Plus,
feelings.
like, I feel like people would say, like, why don't they just tell us that? But at the same time, if you were told by someone, like, that you really like, I straight up don't like you.
Can we use a talking stick?
Like 12.
Okay, you know what? This is not working. Shy or outgoing girl?
Outgoing.
Either.
What about you?
Yeah,
Michael?
kind of like an outgoing.
'Cause
Like
he's a little shy.
As long as they talk to you.
Hard to get or straightforward?
Straightforward. How hard?
I feel like that's so
That's
not
a
true.
charged question.
No, because a lot of people are like,
you
oh,
a
she's
boy?
like desperate. I like hard to get. Straightforward, that's just kind of people that like I feel like
Straight-
people like hard to get.
So I feel like my point didn't really get across in this video, but what I meant is that like when someone actually likes you, they're gonna make that chase for you. And if they just want things to be straightforward, that might mean that they're into the relationship for the wrong reasons.
I mean, like Charlie D'Amelio is hard to get.
Yeah,
I mean,
she's hard to
I like
get.
the
She's
challenge.
hard.
I mean, hard to get is fine to an extent, but at
Yeah.
some point it's just annoying.
What is your idea of the perfect amount of hard to get?
Like 12.
No, I'm talking about like characteristics.
Yeah, like 12.
What's pushing it
I
too
don't know
far?
what I can use. If it's like so much where you think they just straight up don't like you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta give them hints. It's a scavenger hunt. Yeah.
What is the first thing you notice about a girl?
Probably their race. Probably kidding. If we're talking like realistically, when you see someone, you see their age.
Not.
Yeah, I guess. Wait,
Either-
their gender.
It goes
Their
gender,
personality.
age, race.
What they're wearing. If they got colored hair or not. Like they got some nose rings.
Yo, Annie,
Is that good or bad?
What's the like mark for Mike to make a men's fashion channel?
If this video gets to 20,000 likes, Michael is starting a
Not
men's fashion
5,000.
channel.
5.5 likes and we good.
Do you prefer blonde brunettes or gingers? We all know how Michael works.
Green.
Ginger's like a no-fly zone.
Blonde.
For a Christian boy, what faith aspects? Dude, they gotta go to church every Sunday.
A lot of Christian girls look for like leadership in Christian guys, so.
Alpha male.
Stays true to their values. They don't succumb to the
Conform to the
social
to the world.
conforms of the modern teenager.
Do they care about weight and height?
Can we skip that question?
Okay, what about height?
I think height's fine. Anyway.
Yeah, kind of tough if they're
Even if
taller
they're
than
taller than you? What if they're
kinda
the
tough.
same height as you?
I'm cool with that. I believe that's
Yeah,
fine.
that's like hype.
What are your thoughts on girls wearing makeup? Maybe
Depends how much. Some go all out and it's like, whoa.
A lot of the time, it's just them doing something that makes them feel good, and if that's good, then they should do it. But
Yes, Lay!
Yes, Lane. Yes, Lane.
Okay. How do you tell if a boy likes you?
You're asking us, how do we tell if a boy likes us?
No, I mean like what?
What signs do we show to show that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a better question.
We start the conversation with you.
And like make an attempt to keep talking.
Yeah, or like something like,
If we
what are you
snap
doing over
back
the
in
weekend?
under
Like
a
something
minute.
like,
Yeah, something like
where
that.
you're not getting anything like out of it.
We probably make fun of you.
Yeah, that's fun.
What are your thoughts on like lazy outfits, like sweatpants?
You can wear
They're
what
hype.
you want.
But do you notice if a girl like puts more effort into an outfit compared to maybe other people?
Yeah,
Probably.
definitely.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
know,
probably.
like-
I'm not like, oh, they put more effort in.
But like you kind of just notice subconsciously.
Yeah.
Like, maybe if they go lazy like every day.
This isn't really related, but don't you go to middle school?
yeah.
Nah, she's in high school. She's
I'm-
a junior in
But
high
don't
school.
you-
I'm an 8th grader.
Is that what you're telling them?
They already know that. I really like this guy, but he's a total bad boy, and I shouldn't like him. How do I get over him?
Don't like him.
It's a mindset.
Do they hate when you have a ton of guy friends?
Like it's a little more awkward because
Again, it depends on the guy.
If like a girl likes a guy,
Give me some controversial.
should I stop now?
No, wait, what were you saying?
If a girl likes a guy, the girl definitely shouldn't just like go talk with like a ton of guy friends because then that guy is gonna think they don't like them.
Yeah, that's true. Actually.
Like,
This is a question that I haven't really seen, but I have a question. What do you consider dating? In my opinion, like
that's
going...
it. When you go on a date,
Because going on a first date, for me, in my opinion, I don't think it means that we're in a relationship.
I would say you're dating. That doesn't mean you're in a relationship.
This is so humiliating!
Ass or tits? I'm being bold, Annie. Lol, I'm sorry.
I'm not saying it out loud, but you can answer it.
I think that's directly for
It's a
Lane.
you question.
It depends on the guy.
Lane, continue.
I didn't say anything. I don't ever say anything. I've never said anything.
What do you find most attractive in a girl?
Charlie D'Amelio.
Stop.
Undervalued eyes.
Like,
Fact.
I know like everyone has a different idea of beauty, but what if their eyes aren't the classic loon
It's
green,
not
like,
the end of the world.
Yeah.
It's
if
like
you
a-
can't find their pupil,
Wait,
is that
what?
a-
If they just have black eyes, like
That's kind of high.
a little bit. I mean, that ain't a bad thing.
The only thing that matters to me if my parents chose them or not.
Does race matter?
No.
I mean, I think my parents will only choose an Indian. Why there's so many about race?
You guys are always make this about race. How do I start a conversation with a guy when he's always surrounded by his friends?
Become one of the boys.
Do you guys find it unattractive when a girl is acting like too masculine though? Like trying to be one of the boys.
So I know the internet can be a really sensitive place, so I just feel like I have to disclaim this. But what I meant by like be one of the boys, I was not trying to even mention the LGBTQ community. I just want to clear that up before anyone may get a misconception about it. But I just meant like when a girl is trying to make a joke with a guy by like acting like them.
Like,
They're
let's go
always
boys.
not funny
Like,
when they do that
Yeah.
Why, Josh?
because they're trying too hard.
If you have his phone number, just probably text him, I guess.
do you think that most guys want a serious relationship?
No, not in high school.
Depends on the guy.
What about you, Michael?
I would like a pretty serious one. You know.
Wow!
Praise the Lord.
What do they enjoy the most?
Not a question.
Do guys actually like when girls are different / unique?
It
Depends
depends
how.
If they're trying to be different / unique, then they're trying to be like everyone else who's trying to be different / unique.
It has to be natural.
Oh,
Annie is the queen of aesthetics. Change my mind.
Thank you, Leif. Do you care about our social standing, like if we're popular or have popular friends?
No.
No. Shut up. You're gonna have to like at least get noticed.
Other people should like you.
you can't have like all
that's a
that
good
stigma
sign.
around you.
Why don't you
So
text
insane.
first? All caps.
If they're not texting first, that's definitely
That's-
not a good sign.
yes.
If-
Or they're just scared.
whoever
That's
it
true.
is that isn't texting first, you should probably just ask them.
Text them first a couple times.
And then if they start texting first, then it's looking
I have
good.
a
But if
question.
they don't,
I have a specific question.
Can we pan to the sunset real quick?
Oh my
It's
God.
mad aesthetic.
check out this sunset, guys. Oh yeah.
What hairstyle is the most attractive? It's actually an interesting question.
I like a good low bun.
Messy bun.
A good
yeah.
messy bun.
I don't know what they're called.
What's the biggest turn off?
When they try to be like the boys.
Shut up, Josh.
What? If they like always like talk about themselves and then they don't ask you or
If they do a lot of things that I don't find funny.
Sometimes I see like in a group conversation how you react
Yeah.
to a girl that's not funny or like
Yeah, I don't like fake smiling and laughing, but I do it a lot.
yeah, thick or thin.
I mean, I did
Well,
work
two
out for a
Cs.
week and I got thick plus 1 inch. Like it's smooth.
How to make a boy like you?
Bob and Vagine.
Stop making jokes. People are sincerely confused.
Yeah.
be like generous.
Be nice.
Be kind. Ask them about their day or something. I feel like guys are typically often the ones that like ask like, oh, what are you doing like this weekend or something like that.
This
But
boy
like,
walked up to me and he's right across from me and he stood there looking at me just waiting for me to say hi.
That's kind of hype.
Me when social interaction.
he got starstruck. Who was it? Drop some names.
Josh! Okay, is there actually like a Josh interruption counter? Get out of the car.
Do you guys like gingers? Because I feel like you don't, lol. What do you think about periods?
It's not funny. Stop talking about it like it's funny. It's not a good joke.
A lot of girls talk about it often,
Yeah.
even in my grade.
What does that mean? What's our opinion?
Yeah. Like,
It's a bodily function.
I feel bad.
Okay.
Like, I'm anti
do boys not like girls smarter than them?
No.
If you're good in a subject and then you just like start thinking that you're really smart and you act like really smart all the time and like you're a little condescending or whatever, it's kind of annoying.
Do they like when girls wear less clothing, or do they think more clothing is as good?
If it's winter, you gotta wear some clothes.
I want you to be cold.
I think there should be a good balance.
Would you date a girl that's bisexual?
I'm not answering. This is a slippery slope.
Do you guys use girls to get to other girls?
Probably.
I don't
Wait,
know.
yeah.
Probably
like
might have
that's-
might have
yeah.
done that.
Kind of.
Intentionally, like no.
Yeah.
Unintentionally.
Depends on the guy.
Like the Spice Girls said, gotta get in with their friend.
If you want to be my
Why do you
lover.
ask for nudes? I'm not actually accusing you guys, but have your friends ever told you like why? Like, have you understood their logic?
I feel like that's just kind of an answer you should know.
This is so humiliating!
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Yay!
Welcome to my channel.
Put the viewfinder
High five.
up. That's just
I don't know what the
cool.
hell that is. Okay.
And then you're getting serious.
Selfie.
I'm sorry, I'm changing out of this. This is bothering me too much. I'm not.
Oh
Wait,
my.
I didn't ask.
Yo, meet Leif, 12 years old,
Available.
from Minnesota.
That's look at this. Focusing.
Yo, don't spoil it, dude.
How cute do I look?
On a scale from 1 to 10, like 3.5.
I don't want to distract him and make him.
What's
No,
the
it's
wipers
okay.
again?
Put on the defroster.
Okay, I think we gotta go.
Oh,